Remember one more thing. Efficient, able people will be wanted everywhere. The world will want them to make use of you. To make use of you. Your energy and time at this time, you must know whether it should be spent directly into the kingdom work or somebody else's. Should I serve some other master? Every Christian must ask that. Should I make roti for the enemy to make him flourish? See, we obviously clearly know that I cannot sit in a place where they make alcohol and sell it. We won't be. But there are many other places also Christian need not sit. Am I working for the king? Then be in king's business directly, wherever he wants. Yes, whatever he has given. You need a special call not to be in ministry. Every Christian need to have a special call not to be in ministry. Everyone is called to follow him. Do you have a special call to be outside? So he called few people to be disciples. There is a category like that, believers, what do you call? Followers, believers, disciples. To follow the Lord is to do His will. Wherever you are, start involving in direct kingdom work. Involved. While you are involved, you will know what else to do. If you sit quietly in the world, you will never know what to do. Even if it is you are sitting in a shop, to the customers you start speaking. If you are in a hotel business, sit there, talk to them, lead them. No, it's not only gospel sharing, leading people to Christ. Only one person they need to come. Gospel is giving a valid opportunity for the other to say yes to Christ. Giving a valid opportunity for the other to say yes to Christ. So if you get married, if you serve your wife and serve ministry, is it wrong or right? Serving men. You must understand, it's not that problem. The motive behind being in that workplace. There are 3 ways of working in the kingdom regarding your support system. One is work, earn your sustenance, and then do work, kingdom work. That's one pattern. Second, join an organization or a group of people or a church. They support you, you do what they tell you to do. Third, trust God and move out. And do what God guides you to do. There you have freedom. But the last one is, very few are called for that. Not all. All the 3 are kingdom ways. All the 3 are kingdom ways. Church or organization. They take care of your support. You need not go for raising support. Third, don't turn to anyone, turn to God alone. Before joining, you decide. You have a guidance to enter. The problem is with these organizations, many organizations have been started, they have started it for various other purposes. So that is why you need to discern it. When one man of God was standing in a rainy season in London, where a lot of mission compounds are there, he reached out and touched the wall of China Inland Mission. He writes that, I can vouch that this mission organization is of God. I cannot say that for all other organizations. It may be true. In the name of God, we do lot of ministry, which will be rejected completely. Young men and women, your life is ahead. 1970 saw a lot of movements of missions. After 70, there is nothing happening. What's happening? You are that generation. You are that generation. What happened?